bro. You give it, so you can see what I did there, bro, because it was a long, so I did a long. What kind of sound does this thing make? Alright, hang on. Oh! Shit. That's alright. Oh! Oh! Shing, 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 shing. Oh. Shing, 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 shing. Yeah, that's a super shing, dog. Shing, 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 shing. I bet you this one makes a cool ass sound, dog. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, let me try again. Fuck this one, dude. Pussy ass sword. Oh, hang on. Whoa. Wait. It's coming back. Oh, it's got my little hammer and stuff. Smash! Fuck, bro. Okay, anyway. Let me try it one more time. Alright, hammer, you fucking get yourself together, you fucking. Okay. Smash! Yeah, that one was way better. No, bro, I got that arc light, dog. You killing them demons. It's like, bang! Yeah, hang on. Bling! Yeah, bro, that's a demon killer, dog. Don't fuck with it. Bro, I know it may be a twisted bow, bro, but don't get shit twisted, you know what I'm saying, bro? Bro, that's the sound it makes, cuz. Hang on. I know they call it a staff of light, dog, but it don't seem very light. Oh shit, dog, what you got right here, bro? It's some motherfucking AGS, dog. That's that armadillion, dude. I bet you this one does some sick shit. Waiter! Oh, hang on, let me try it again. That's gotta be fucking. Waiter! No, that's gotta be it, bro.